This evening, we decided to explore Santa Lucía Hill, and it turned out to be one of the best parts of our day. One thing that caught us off guard right away was at the entrance, there were guards, and we had to sign in with our name, passport ID, and phone number. Later on, we figured out it was for them to keep track of visitors and also for safety purposes. As we started walking up, it didn't feel like just another park. This one had fancy staircases, fountains, terraces. It made us feel like we were stepping into a different era, right in the middle of Santiago City. This hill has a lot of history behind it. Originally known as Hillin by the indigenous Mapuche people, this is where Pedro de Valdivia founded Santiago in 1541. Because of its location, this was also used as a defensive point in the colonial times. By the time we made our way up, the sun was just starting to set, and the whole atmosphere completely changed. The city slowly lit up as the sun went down. This was easily one of the most precious moments of our day. The view with the colors overlooking the city, surrounded by mountains. This is why we love traveling. In the 1800s, this hill was transformed into a public space. They added staircases, terraces, and fountains to make it accessible and beautiful for visitors. That's what I find makes this place so unique. Its blend of natural landscape and unique designs. Honestly, this was the perfect way to end the day. Calm, scenic, and full of history, all in one place. I definitely recommend coming in the evening for fewer crowds, cooler weather, and of course, sunset from the top. It's not just a viewpoint, it's where Santiago's story begins. We are fortunate to have been present to see this place in Santiago, Chile. I hope you guys get a chance to visit Santa Lucía Hill when you're in Santiago, Chile. Don't forget to follow along as we explore more hidden gems around the world.